my viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shilpa and today I'm going to filming a video about smoky eyes. But there is a twist. I'm also going to show you the mistakes that some of you are doing while creating a smoky eyes. So on this side I make the mistakes and this side is my side, my tips and tricks side. So without wasting any time, let's just jump in this video. So at first I take my eyeshadow primer. This is from NYX. I'm sorry guys, my camera doesn't properly focus on that product. Okay, so I apply this product with my finger. The reason behind I prefer white color primer is it just make my eyeshadow look much more pigmented, and obviously the reason of using primer is it just make our eyeshadow last all day long. So yeah, I blend the product with my finger and blend this seamlessly so that there will be no harsh lines. Obviously not only eyeshadow, your primer also blend properly. Every product should blend properly. So yeah, and to fix this eyeshadow primer, I take my Kryolan Derma color fixing powder. This is white color powder, and I heavily applied this powder underneath my eyes so that if there will be any fallout, then the powder catch everything, and when I remove the powder, the fallout also remove easily. So I take my 252 Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette from Coastal Scent. It contains 3 palettes. So I take this one, and at first I take a fluffy brush. This is from Pack, and I just mention everything on my description box. If I miss something, you can check there. So there will be everything. I mention everything there. So I take that transition shade. Transition shade is actually important, because when you are going for any blended look, then transition shade is most important. So, and I love this transition shade, and you can see that how much I use this rather than other shades. So I just heavily apply this on my crease line. And now I take my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and take that warm shade and just tap off the excess, so that there will be much less fallout. The less product you apply, the less fallout happen. So now I just blend this with the same brush and apply this on circular motion, and it just have the perfect amount of warmth on it, which I actually needed for this look. You can see how my crease line is gradually defining. Okay, so one more tip is whenever you apply eyeshadow, take a little amount at first, then if you need more, then take more. Don't need excessive product in the first attempt. Okay, now I take my pencil brush and apply the dark shade than the first one, and this is like a chocolate kind of shade. And with this pencil brush, this is from Vega, and it doesn't have any number. So yeah, this is a blending brush from Vega. I love Vega brushes actually. So okay, for this way I just define my outer corner of my eyes. And now I take that flat brush and take the chocolate shade from my Coastal Scents palette, the palette that I show you at first. So so then I just apply this shadow on my eyelid. This is just a base for my black eyeshadow. I never put black eyeshadow or any dark eyeshadow directly on my lid. If I going for a cut crease, then I at first cut the crease with my primer, then apply this. But this is a blended look. I have smoky eyes, so I don't cut my crease at all. Okay, now I take my black eyeshadow and then apply this on my eyelid. This is a star of the show, by the way, and today I am creating a very soft smoky eye. This this look is really classic actually. I really love this, and that's why I think that I should share this with you. Maybe it will be helpful. And now after applying the black eyeshadow, I just take the pencil brush. I don't take any eyeshadow on that brush. I just use this brush just to blend out the black and the dark shades properly, just for blending purpose. Then I take the chocolate shade from my Coastal Scents palette and apply this on the outer corner of my eyes, just to define more. This is my rule actually. So I don't put lots of product in the first attempt. I just apply product, and then if I think that I need more, then I layer it up. I know it takes a little bit time, but still, if you going for any perfection, then you have to give it some time. That's the key of the perfect look actually. Okay, so I just blend everything properly. I just blend. I know there is lots of blending on that look, but if you want that look, so you have to blend now. So then I take my fluffy brush again and again take the warmth shade, and I'm just working blended everything seamlessly. I just want to blend everything seamlessly. So that's why I take the fluffy brush and just blend every eyeshadow. Just look well smoked out. Yeah, you can see that the more you blend, the better result you can see. Yes. Okay. So I think I am quite done with my perfect eye, and now I start my mistake eye. So there is no primer, nothing. I just directly dip my brush into the black eyeshadow and apply this. I know that many of you do this. This is not the right process, guys. You can see how chalky my eyeshadow look, and it doesn't blend the way my perfect eyeshadow blend. So I just apply the black eyeshadow on my mistake eye and slightly wing it out. I saw many people do that. This is not smoky eye. Maybe this is different kind of eye look, but this is not smoky eye. Okay, now I'm taking my Lakme Eye Conic Kajal and apply this on the lower lash line of my mistake eye. I know you all apply Kajal. Kajal is the thing that saves your look, but if you are looking for a perfect smoky eye look, then not a single Kajal, just work for that purpose. Okay, now I just close my eyes and just tight lining my both upper and lower lash line. So waterline actually, not lash line, upper and lower waterline, so that it just look all put together. And then I take that same eyeshadow with the blending brush and just apply on my lower lash line. I just applied every single shade which I applied on my upper eyelid and upper crease line. I just apply everything on my lower lash line also, so that it just look well smoked out in upper side and lower side. It just balance out the look. You just have to blend this properly, so only then you look flawless. Okay, then now I told you that I go with every single shade, that chocolate brown shade and that Coastal Scents palette shade, everything. And if you just notice one thing, that the brush I use, you have to notice this. the more dark shade I use, the more precision brush I take. This is another tip. So if I use the same brush that I apply the light shade, and with the same brush I apply the dark shade, it just mess out everything. It just look not that perfect. So you can see I take the more precision brush, and then I take the black eyeshadow and I just apply that on very close to my lower lash line, because I don't want to spread my black all over my eyes, which that this make your eye look like panda. I know many of you tried this and just ended up with looking like a panda. So you don't want this, na? So avoid this. For eye makeup you have to keep lots of brushes if you want that pro kind of eye look. So yeah, I go back with my shades. I can see that how much it look put together and how much blended it is. And now I just take my iconic kajal. I love this kajal actually. So I just tight lining my upper lash line. I don't prefer a wing liner with smoky eyes, because I think wing liner just cut the smoke and basically I don't prefer this. I just tight line my upper lash line with the kajal. At first you need not to worry about the lines, is it perfect or not. So then I take that flat brush and take some black eyeshadow, and then just blend that kajal with that eyeshadow. So it just make more defined look. Then it just make my black more outstanding. You can see that. Yes. I don't go very up with my black because it can ruin your look. Don't go very up with your black eyeshadow. If you want to blend this, then take the light shade and just blend. Yes. This video has so many tips and tricks. If you seriously take this video, it just your makeup skill will have to improve. And now mascara, yes. And my favorite mascara from Maybelline. You know how much I love Maybelline mascara. This is a volumizing mascara. Yeah, so I applied mascara on my mistake eye. I know you guys apply mascara obviously. So but on my perfect eye, the way I apply my mascara, you have to notice that. I just apply my mascara on my lashes so well. I just coated my mascara very thick, so that my lashes can see. You can see my lashes because I am creating a smoky eye look, and my lashes have to see within that black. And I also apply my mascara on my lower lash line, on my lower lashes, not lower lash line. I also apply my mascara on my lower lashes. So now I take a pencil brush. This is from PAC, and take a highlighting shade and highlight the inner corner of my eyes. It just clean up the look and look very, very attractive. And I dust off the extra powder which I put at first, and then I take a flat brush and take the same highlighting shade and highlight my brow bone. This is the final look. You can see the miss eye, the mistake eye, and the perfect eye. You can see the difference. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like my video, then please give it a thumbs up, comment, and obviously subscribe my channel. So that's all for today. Lots of love from my side.